In this video, we explore the critical differences between pure and modified sine waves. Understanding how these waveforms impact your equipment is essential for protecting your gear and ensuring high-quality performance. The core challenge lies in the conversion process. Batteries store direct current, but most appliances require alternating current. Inverters bridge this gap, but the quality of that bridge determines how well your devices run. To understand the difference, we must look at the waveform. A waveform maps voltage over time, defined by frequency and amplitude. Ideally, a smooth shape provides the most stable power for sensitive electronics. Pure sine waves rise and fall smoothly. This is the same continuous waveform delivered by utility grids, providing clean and reliable electricity that most complex electronic devices are designed to use. Mathematically, this smooth transition is defined by trigonometry. These predictable, gradual changes in voltage prevent unnecessary electrical stress on components, ensuring a longer operational life for your connected devices. In contrast, modified sine waves use blocky, abrupt steps. This is a rough approximation of a smooth curve. While cheaper to produce, this geometry is far from the ideal, clean power your devices expect. Pure sine wave inverters use complex modulation circuits. They employ pulse width modulation to chop DC voltage, then use filters to smooth out the final signal into a near-perfect wave. Modified sine wave inverters are built with simpler components. Their transistors switch voltage abruptly, creating sudden, jagged blocks of power rather than a continuous flow. The Fourier truth is that these stepped waves contain multiple unwanted frequencies. These odd harmonics represent hidden, destructive energy that interferes with the clean operation of your equipment. Total harmonic distortion, or THD, measures this contamination. Pure waves exhibit very low THD, while modified sine waves produce high levels of distortion, which can negatively affect your gear. Many standard tools fall victim to RMS voltage blindness. They average total energy and ignore the actual shape of the wave, masking the harmful harmonic distortion present in cheaper inverters. Audio equipment is especially sensitive, requiring absolutely clean power. High-frequency harmonics generated by poor-quality inverters can overwhelm standard audio circuits, causing audible distortion. These sharp voltage spikes hit smoothing capacitors, often causing them to fail under the stress. When the filtering process breaks down, high-frequency noise inevitably ruins the output sound quality. Induction motors also suffer. They expect a smooth, rotating voltage. Harmonics disrupt these internal magnetic fields, causing the motor to lose efficiency and struggle to perform correctly. Finally, this power creates excess heat. That heat degrades motor wire insulation over time. This thermal stress is why using modified sine wave power can significantly shorten the lifespan of your appliances. Microprocessors rely on precise timing, often counting electrical zero crossings to function correctly. Modified sine wave inverters pause voltage at zero, creating an unnatural rhythm that confuses these sensitive clock circuits. It is important to understand which appliances work with which power source. Modified sine waves generally support simple, resistive loads, as incandescent bulbs and basic heaters can tolerate the jagged electrical steps. However, modern electronics are a different story. They require pure, continuous power to function safely. From medical devices to computers and refrigerators, these sensitive systems demand clean electricity to operate reliably. To verify the quality of your power, engineers use laboratory oscilloscopes. These devices display the true waveform shape, allowing you to clearly see if your inverter is delivering a continuous curve or a distorted signal. Finally, consider your total battery life. Inverter efficiency is key. When systems produce excess electrical heat due to poor waveform quality, that energy is wasted. Pure sine wave systems maximize your actual backup time. Thank you for watching this video. By choosing the right inverter for your specific needs, you can protect your equipment and ensure long-term, high-quality performance.